A very good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope that you all are keeping fine. Yes? Okay. Dear children, I, Poonam Tripathi, welcome you all to our today's class. Yes? So, dear students, are you ready for today's class? Yeah. I can see that you all are very enthusiastic and energetic even, and you all are, yes, ready for the class. So, here we go. Students, today we'll see your grammar chapter number 11, and that is adverbs, right? But before I start this topic, I would like to ask you a few questions. Yeah. Now, children, do you know what is a verb? Yeah. Do you know what is a verb? Tell me, what do you mean by verb? Yeah. Students, verb means action words. Yes. Now, if I tell you, students, just stand and hop like a rabbit. Yeah, just hop like a rabbit. What is this? Action. Yeah. If you are eating something, it's action. If you are speaking, this is also an action, right? So these are verb. These are action words. So they are known as verb. Now, what do we mean by adverbs then? If I say, she is reading quickly, swiftly. This shows the manner in which she is reading. Yeah, she is eating slowly. She is eating slowly. So eating is verb. And in which manner that work is done. और किस तरीके से उस काम को किया गया है. That is adverb. She is eating slowly. So slowly is adverb. Yes, I'm writing fast. Yeah, so this is adverb. Writing is verb and writing fast. Right? So this slowly, oftenly, all these are what? These are adverbs. Yes? So adverb हमें क्या बताता है? Adverb हमें बताता है कि वो verb यानी कि वो क्रिया यानी कि वो action किस तरीके से किया गया है, किस मैनर में किया गया है. That is called adverb. Okay? Alright. Now students, please come to page number 63. This is your grammar chapter number 11, adverbs, and I'm on page number 63. Okay? Now let's see this. Adverbs are words that tell us more about the verbs. Yes, it tells you more about the verbs. Adjectives or other adverbs in a sentence. So what do we mean by adverbs? Adverbs tells us more about the verbs. Yeah, adverbs tell us more about the verbs, adjectives or other adverbs in a sentence, right? Let's see the example. The cat purr happily. This is what? This is a sound made by cat. The cat purr happily. She made this sound happily. In which manner? किस तरीके से उसने किया? Happily. बहुत खुश होके. Next. Happily tells us more about the verb purr. Purr means sound made by cat or some creatures like these. And happily shows किस तरीके से उसने ये साउंड किया. बहुत खुश होके. Happily. Yeah. The lake is almost empty. Lake कैसा है? Empty. Empty मतलब खाली है. Now, we can also say the lake is empty. हम ये भी बोल सकते हैं ना. The lake is empty. बिल्कुल खाली है मतलब कि सूखा हुआ है. But what we said, the lake is almost empty. So here almost is used as adverb. Almost tell us more about the adjective empty. ठीक है? Empty क्या है? Empty is what? Empty is adjective. Empty is adjective. Empty, full. All these are adjectives. तो यहाँ पे जो almost we are using almost. This tells you about the adjective. ठीक है? Next क्या है? Tara picked up her puppy very gently. तारा picked up her puppy very gently. तारा ने क्या किया, अपने पपी को, ठीक है, बहुत जेंटली उसने उठाया, उसे हक किया उसको, ठीक है. Very tell us more about the adverb gently. अब यहाँ पे जो हमने very word यूज किया, you can see that with red ink it is used very gently. So very tell us more about the adverb gently. तो ये very क्या बता रहा है, tell us more about the adverb gently. Gently मतलब क्या होता है, बहुत आराम से, बहुत softly, ठीक है. So this is verb and gently is used here as adverb, and this very tells more about this adverb. So what is the conclusion, what we know about the adverb? Adverb क्या होता है, adverb tell us more about the verb. It also tells us about the adjective. It also tells about the other adverb used in the sentence. Clear, students? Everybody, is it clear to all or not? Clear? All right. Now, let's see this exercise A. Fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs from the box below. You can see that box is given and some words are given here, and then on the basis of this we have to do this exercise. Yeah, everybody ready? Yes, you have to do this exercise, right? And I will help you. Let's see these words which are given in the box, and this is never, daily, often, almost, very, yesterday, outside, seriously. Okay, these are the words. So come on, just guess the answer. The first one is Tarun did not take his parents' advice. Oh, this is very bad. Tarun did not take his parents' advice. Oh, come on, guess the answer. Yes? Have you got? Just go through this box and try to find out the answer. It is given there and it's very easy. Come on. Yes, find it out. Yes. The first answer is... Come on. Any guesses here? What is the first answer? The first answer is seriously. Yeah. The first answer is seriously. Tarun did not take his parents' advice seriously. Got it? Okay. Now, the second is Sushma reads the newspaper. Sushma reads the newspaper dash. Now, what is going to come here? Sushma reads the newspaper. Yes. And the answer is daily. Yes, correct. Sushma reads the newspaper daily. Correct. Now the third is we must dash play with sharp objects. Come on, tell me. This though I think every time your mother and your teachers, they also tells you. They always instruct you. Now come on, what is the answer here? We must, yes, come on. We must never play. Yes, and the answer is we must never. We must never play with sharp objects. Yes, everyone has done? Alright. Now let's see the next one. Now the fourth one. Wait for me, I have dash completed my work. Wait for me, I have almost completed my work. What is going to come here? Almost. Yes. And the answer is almost. Wait for me, I have almost completed my work. Okay? Now, the next is the children were dash happy after the picnic. When you go for picnic, you are very, very energetic, very happy and all this, right? So the children were, what will come here? The children were very happy. Yes, correct. The children were very happy. Now sixth is go and play dash said my mom. Go and play outside. Yes, go and play outside. Got it? Go and play outside, said my mom. Next. Have you written, everybody? I'm sure that you all are writing side by side. Yes? Okay. The next is, he called me up dash to plan a meeting for tonight. He called me up dash to plan a meeting for tonight. Now, come on, guess the answer. What will come? Yes, what will come here? That is yesterday. Yes, correct. This is yesterday. He called me up yesterday to plan a meeting for tonight. Yesterday का मतलब क्या होता है? बीता हुआ दिन. The previous day, okay? 8. I dash see him during my morning walk. I dash see him during my morning walk. And the answer is, come on, the answer is often. What is the answer? Often. This word you can pronounce as often or often. Both are correct, okay? So, students, these were the answers of your exercise A, right? So, let's have a quick recap. What we have learned today. We have seen about verb. We have learned about adverbs also. Yeah. What is the concept of adverb here? What is adverb? Adverbs are the words that tells more about verbs, adjectives or other adjectives used in the sentence. Adverb क्या बताता है? Adverb आपको verb के बारे में बताता है. Adjective और other adverbs जो sentence में use होते हैं, it tells you about all that. Yeah. So students, I hope that you have understood this chapter, means understood this concept of adverbs very well. Yes. And this exercise also you have completed. Okay. So students, alright, so what is your homework? You will go through the concept of adverbs and you will go through this exercise A very well. Alright, so that's all for today, students, and we shall meet soon in our next class. Thanks for watching.